Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a washer lid spring in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top and set it upside down on a towel or blanket. Release the tension on the lid springs and detach the spring you're replacing from the main top and hinge bar if still intact. To install the new washer lid spring, attach the shorter end of the spring to the hinge bar and the longer end to the main top. Returning to the appliance, reinstall the main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.